Hello guys, welcome back to the Risk Manager YouTube channel. And this weekend, after working a lot on my psychology for by through backtesting, and backtesting really helped me to understand my psychology while trading, and implemented many of those strategies that I had learned in terms of psychology while live trading today. And believe me, it actually turned the game and was quite helpful. So, to my advantage, I took only three trades today and didn't do any over trading. And thanks to the pattern of psychology that I had made, that is the first trade I took around over here. I exactly took a trade over here because the reason for taking that trade was, as you can see, there is a volume node gap over here which will act as a strong support. So I placed an entry over here. Price came, I took an entry, and as soon as I took the entry, price shot up. Price just shot up and placed my target over here. Although my target was till here, but looking that price is still struggling, I realized that it's right to just book my profits over here and exit. It's better to have something rather than nothing. And booked around 3,500 rupees. As you can see here, booked around 3,500 to 26 rupees. The reason was I used two lots, and because this is all paper trading, I just want to confirm with my make my psychology stronger, and so that later on I can shift back to the real money. Till then, no more losses of real money. We'll work on my psychology and we'll get back to real paper trading. So booked around 3,526. The platform that I'm using for paper trading is New Stocks. It's a really good platform according to me. And so yeah, this was the first trade, and the second trade was over here. So there was no particular logic behind the trade, although if you can see there's a consolidation clear that's going on. So my view was that obviously now it will be a bearish move because VWAP, as you can see, is on the top side. The VWAP is present over here. So I thought this long candle it will clearly go towards the CPR, but it it didn't go. I took an entry over here thinking that it would go to the CPR, but it didn't go. It was just sustaining. And as you can see, there is a strong support that was forming over here. There's a deep volume node gap, and I didn't have the confidence to carry this trade till here. So I booked at a fairly no loss, no profit over here, and just came out of the trade because again it was in the consolidation, and in consolidation you have no surety that it will move outside the trade. When you're not sure about a trade, it's always better to just exit because you never know how it will play out. If it's a profit, then also you'll be sad, then you'll be happy. But if it's a loss, you'll be pretty sad. And in trading, there's no confirmation that it will go to your way. So it's when in confusion, just exit. So second trade was not that great. The third trade, as you can see in the third trade, there was a clear pattern of a W pattern after a consolidation from 10:30 to 1:30. That's almost around 3 hours of consolidation. The W pattern was formed after much of confusion. So you can see here, then again here and here. So I knew if this portion was broken, then this time and this time the chances of a higher move was more likely. But still, I couldn't take the entry right here because it may also be a fake out because the consolidation was pretty long. But still, it broke out of this line, and the volume was also very good, pretty good, and the price moved up. And I knew one thing: if you see, after going fairly up, I knew it won't just stop over here; it would also take out some more volume nodes over here. So I took a retracement entry at this level because there was a volume node gap over here. Took a retracement entry exactly over here at this point. Placed my stop loss below here, and had my target at value area high. So booked around 126 points over here, and as you can see, the profit that in that trade I had booked around 1,203 rupees. So which is another good trade according to me. And after that, I didn't trade. I just exited because I had booked a fairly good profit, and my psychology was right. And today was a thumbs up day for me, and exited for the day. Yeah. So when you have good profits, it's always advisable to just get off the trading desk because you may end up doing over trading and losing all the money that you had. And always following the system. I'm still working on my psychology, and there's fair bit of improvement. So all those guys who want to work on the psychology, you always, if possible, take the subscription of TradingView if a time frame is about 5 minutes, and you can use this replay button for backtesting. So you can cut, and you don't know what price will come next, and you can just play it, and you can make your assumptions of the levels. So in that case, whenever you're wrong, you write it down on a piece of paper where you have gone wrong and make amends to it, and you'll keep on improving. So this is how you can see. So without knowing the price, what price is up ahead, you can be very good at your backtesting. Yeah, so it all worked well. So this is all for the day. Good things to note is very few trades and profitable. My psychology was right and had the patience because normally under such a long consolidation, it always leads to overtrading. It leads to humongous overtrading. But I didn't do that kind today, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, this is Sujay signing off, and thank you. And we'll be uploading more trading vlogs. Yeah. So again, good night. Thank you.